guys, this is Antara Sarkar and today's video is going to be a festive makeup look using full face of Inside Cosmetics. This video is kindly sponsored by them. They were kind enough to send me this whole bunch of makeup and I am really excited to film one festive makeup look. You guys know how much I have used their products, how much I have reviewed Inside Cosmetics product, and I truly love this brand. So if you want to know about the products and if you want to know how I will create this affordable makeup look, then please keep on watching. The kit right over here where I have one face primer. This is actually my absolute favorite primer. I always recommend this if you ask me any kind of affordable primer. This is really good. You guys know I don't need to talk about this product, how much I have used this product and recommended this. This one is a second skin foundation. I have a lip color which looks really pretty. Then I have one contour and highlighting stick and one setting spray along with the color corrector and eye pencil. Before using my foundation, I will use a face primer. This is the Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer. This will give me a flawless base and it will hold my makeup look for a really long time. This Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette contains cream color corrector and concealer. This is a very helpful product. Looking for a color corrector and a concealer in one palette, this is a product for you. It hides your pigmentation, your dark spots, and I'm gonna use this before my foundation. I will use this peachy orangish color corrector under my eyes. You can use your finger or you can take a brush to use this color corrector. I'm just focusing color corrector only where I have darkness, I have some pigmentation, and I'm just using a makeup sponge to blend it really well. My absolute favorite second skin foundation from Inside Cosmetics. If you are looking for a very natural looking coverage foundation, this is a product for you. It will give you a light to medium coverage. It is buildable. It just gives your skin a beautiful glow. It looks very natural and I think this is a perfect product not only for your festive look but also for your everyday makeup. You can see the difference how flawless my skin looks, evens out my skin tone, gives a beautiful glow. Take my concealer palette and I will take the brightest shade here to conceal my dark circles. Not only going to conceal my dark circle but it will also brighten them up. I'm applying it with a brush and then I will blend this out with my makeup sponge. Make sure you're putting the product in a tapping motion and not dragging it or else you will end up drying your color corrector as well. This is what my base look. Now I'm gonna use this Inside Cosmetics loose powder. This is what I already have, so I'm gonna use this one to set my face. This loose powder is really lightweight and it just blends with your skin and makeup. Product that I will use is this highlighter and contour duo stick. Contour stick, and over here it is the highlighter. This is a really helpful product especially for beginners. I will say this contour stick is my recent favorite. I finally used this just because of Inside Cosmetics. Thank you so much for sending this over. This contour stick is so bomb. It is so easy to blend, so easy to work with. A perfect color. It's not very warm, it's not very cool tone, it's something in the middle. I will say I loved it more than the highlighter side. It is just super beautiful. This inside lip color in the shade Coffee Command and I will use this as my eyeshadow. Take the color, use my brush, place it over here. Look how seamlessly I blended this particular color. This is very soft, that's why it's easy to blend as your eyeshadow. I will take this highlighter and I will use it on the center of my eyelid and on my inner corner. This highlighter on the center of my eyelid looks beautiful. It just looks, I have used one eyeshadow palette for this look, but it's just liquid lipstick and some highlighter. I hope you guys will definitely recreate this particular look just because of the fact it is so easy and you do not even need an eyeshadow palette to recreate this. I will use their Liner Express Smudge Proof Long Lasting Eyeliner. This eyeliner is so pigmented, I'm not even kidding. This is so pigmented, glides on really well, super black, easy to work with. The tip of this eyeliner is very good. That's what justifies this is a good eyeliner, because an eyeliner tip should not be very flimsy, it should not be very hard, it should be something in the middle, and that's how you know that this eyeliner is good. This is so easy to use and this is completely black. I will use the same highlighter and highlight my face. This highlighter is a cream to powder kind of a formula. I will not say powder, it turns into a matte highlighter. It does not leave that creamy oily kind of a finish that you get whenever you use any kind of stick highlighter. This dries out pretty well and it sets on your makeup really well. So I think definitely try to blend this highlighter really quick and it looks pretty good. Especially for your no makeup look days, you can definitely try out this highlighter. I will use this as my liquid lipstick. This liquid lipstick is my recent favorite again. I am in love with the color, I am in love with the formula. It's so soft, so comfortable on my lips. Use this Inside Cosmetics eyeliner as my bindi and it is looking super pretty. I will lock everything with this makeup fixer from Inside Cosmetics. And for this setting spray, I will say it does not smell very harsh. It is good. It does not make my skin feel very tacky and tight. So this is my final look using all Inside Cosmetics product. This particular makeup look is so easy. It's minimal, it's elegant, and it looks so beautiful. Especially my eye makeup look without any eyeshadow palette. I created this look. You guys think what is your favorite product from Inside Cosmetics and what do you think about this makeup look? Let me know in the comments below. All the product will be linked in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.